Welcome to our chemistry lab. The problem is our hypothesis of whether or not the temperature of gas within a closed system will rise with increasing air pressure.
For our materials, we had a few corks and devices to help use to measure the air pressure in case we had some failed trials. Here's our device that we used to measure the air pressure within the container. Here's our container as well as the cork and device we used and a thermometer. Then we have our gas mask and eye goggles for extra safety.
We sealed our bottle with a silicone cork and stabbed a thermometer into it to measure the gas temperature, as well as a nozzle so that gas could be pumped inside.
The number on the left of the device's screen displays the desired pressure, while the right shows the present pressure within the container. We latch the device onto our bottle and begin the trials.
The initial temperature within the bottle at normal air pressure was 13 degrees Celsius.
So we had to use our hands to secure the cork on top of the bottle so that it would not actually blow off while we were pumping in excess air as seen. All that we were doing throughout the experiment was varying the amounts of pressure that we were pumping into the bottle, and then once those pressures were achieved, we would read the thermometer and then record our differences in temperature change. After recording 7 trials, we put this clamp on so we wouldn't have to be standing by the bottle while the testing was going, and then we started trying to increase the pressure significantly to see if the bottle itself would burst.
It's not going.
3?
Yeah.
Nothing happened. It was very anticlimactic.
Is it leaking out?
Are you focused on?
Yeah.
It's vaping.
So when we increased the pressure up by 1, the temperature actually remained the same, but when we went up by 2, it went to 15 degrees Celsius from the original 13 degrees Celsius. Then at 3, it went to 16.5 degrees Celsius, 4 was 17, 5 was 17.5, 6 was 18, and finally 7 was 19 degrees Celsius. So the explanation for our lab was essentially just that because we were pumping more air into the container, there was a greater number of collisions between the particles and the walls of the container, meaning that there would be a higher average kinetic energy, which would equal a higher temperature. We knew this from the start, but the actual increase in temperature was a lot more substantial than we thought it would be.